Well, somebody wants to see some night driving, so for early morning. Well, I know do early morning. Most of our routes start after the sun comes up. My day starts at 6 a.m. at my school district, and after 30 minutes for pre-trip and getting other things together, leaving the yard at 6:45, 7 o'clock, it's daylight out. So you don't get any night driving. So just dropped off my sports trip. JV won their basketball game. Varsity lost. Oh well, it happens. And now it's time to head back to the yard. Sky, cool looking sky tonight. We got a little bit of rain, a little bit of drizzle. Might be snowing in the mountains. Really cool looking sky. Transportation yard is 2 miles up this road here. No, janitors have not locked the gate yet. I can get out. Usually they lock this gate and you have to go over to the far left to the entrance gate. I had to unlock these gates earlier today to come in. This campus is it's like a fortress. You need keys to get in and onto campus. But getting off campus is no problem because they have remote control gates. Transportation just doesn't have the remotes to get in, so we have to do it old-fashioned, old-school way and unlock the gate, park the bus on the street, unlock the gate, pull the bus in. Then when you get to the next set of gates, park the bus, unlock the set of gates, and pull in behind the gym and pick up your group. There's a weird looking windshield's a little dirty from the rain earlier, but I guess it's just the angles and all the lights give it a funky look. Over Interstate 10. Sorry, it's sprinkling. If I run the wipers, it's going to look even more smudged. Looks like an accident earlier. Lots of plastic and glass and other trim is on the ground. Find my remote. Our transportation yard gets locked up at 5:30 at night. So after 5:30, it's the old-fashioned way of using a key in the lock, or if you have a remote, you can go out the remote gate. at that. I got a bus waiting for me. My wife also had a field trip tonight to the same high school. We both loaded at the same time. Her school was closer. She's back to the yard first. Well, that windshield looks dirty now. Keep singing Blue Outback in all my videos. That's my car. I get to park in line with the buses. Okay, don't hit this. Oh. I'm gonna shoot my wife. She just came pulling up right next to me. It's that sensation of like, why does my bus feel like it's moving when I'm not moving? It's because I have another bus backing up next to me at the same time. Oops. I'm stopped. I hope I'm straight. Does it look straight?
Hell no. No.
Should I do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Hard to back up and you have another bus backing up next to you at the same time. Now you can't see the white lines very good. Oh yeah. It was crooked. That's straighter. That better?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Paperwork. Ending mileage 182,790. Only went 40 miles today. Tech system armed. There you go, some night driving.